Let's talk turkey. Our Black Friday specials are coming up. This is a Young Chain Grand. It's a used piano. It's like new. This one will be at $38.88. All new and used pianos are at special prices. This is a special deal. It's a used Yamaha studio piano. Normally you'd expect to see this in the $3,000 to $5,000 range. Right now, $18.88. Here's a special many of you have been waiting for. We rarely have a piano under $1,000. Both of these pianos will be at $699. That comes with a 5-year warranty. Keyboards is what we do. We have keyboards starting at $99 on special. This one's a very popular one, $598, and with the stand and everything you see here, it's $795. Over a decade ago, we became the leader in Kern County on band instruments and violins. We'll have specials on intermediate and professional models, $100 to $900 off this weekend.